Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to remove extra blank space from Windows 10 start menu tiles. So let's take a look how to do that. If I jump over my Windows start menu tiles, you will notice this is the Windows menu tiles, and if I'm going to bring it removing this empty space, it's not removing. You also might have same issues. So in this case, how you can fix these things? It's really easy and simple. In order to do that, you need to go again in start menu and then click here setting. After click on setting, you need to click here personalization, and then on the left side you will find here start. In start, when you click in the right side, you will see a couple of options will appear. The first one, which is say show more tiles on start. If I make it off, and then if I jump over my Windows start menu, I will see that empty space is removing. So within this way, you can easily remove the empty space in your start menu tiles. So this is how you can easily fix that. That's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.